Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to disable pop-up notifications for the audio player in Google Drive. If you've ever found it distracting when the audio player keeps showing up as a pop-up while you're trying to focus on something else, this simple adjustment will make your experience much smoother. Let's get started step by step. First, unlock your phone and go straight into your settings. This is where all the key options for apps and notifications are located. Once you're inside, scroll until you see the section labeled Apps. Tap on it, and you'll find a list of every app installed on your device. From here, look for Google Drive. Open it, and this will take you to the app settings that are built into your phone. Inside, you'll notice an option called Notifications. That's exactly where we need to go next, so tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a range of categories that control how Google Drive alerts you. Go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. This menu separates different types of notifications the app uses, making it easy to fine-tune what you want to keep on and what you'd rather turn off. Scroll down until you reach the category labeled Other. Under this section, you'll see an option called Audio Player. This is the setting responsible for those pop-up notifications whenever media plays from Drive. Tap on Audio Player to access more details. Now, here comes the final step. You'll notice a switch that says Show as Pop-up. Simply toggle this switch off. Once you do that, those audio player pop-ups will no longer appear while you're using your phone. And that's it, you're done. With just a few quick changes, you've turned off the pop-up for audio player notifications in Google Drive. From here on, you can continue listening to files or using the app without those interruptions showing up on your screen. Thanks for watching.